Ang lesson natin ngayon ay tungkol sa English adverb na again. Again, which means one more time, na ang kahulugan sa Tagalog ay ulit, uli, muli, at ang Filipino phrase na madalas natin gamitin na naman. Example 1. I can't believe we have to wait in line again. I can't believe we have to wait in line again. Ang best translation nito sa Filipino ay, grabe, pipila na naman tayo. Next, I don't want to hear that story again. I don't want to hear that story again. Ayoko nang marinig uli ang kwento na yan. I need to polish my shoes again. I need to polish my shoes again. Kailangan kong linisin ulit ang sapatos ko. Let's go over the details again. Let's go over the details again. Balikan natin uli ang mga detalye. I love that song. Play it again. I love that song. Play it again. Gusto ko ang kantang yan. Patugtugin mo ulit. What's that again? What's that again? Ano na nga ulit yon? May I see it again? May I see it again? Patingin nga uli. Try it again. Try it again. Subukan mo uli. Things are back to normal again. Things are back to normal again. Bumalik na uli sa normal ang mga bagay-bagay. They are friends again. They are friends again. Magkaibigan na ulit sila. Please spell out your name again. Please spell out your name again. Paki-spell nga ulit ang pangalan mo. Let's start again from the beginning. Let's start again from the beginning. Magsimula tayo ulit mula sa umpisa. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari uli yun. I don't want to see you again. I don't want to see you again. Ayaw na kitang makita uli. Ask him again. Ask him again. Tanungin mo siya uli. I have to restart my computer again. I have to restart my computer again. Kailangan kong i-restart uli ang computer ko. I can't believe you forgot your keys again. I can't believe you forgot your keys again. Grabe ka, nakalimutan mo na naman ang susi mo. I don't want to see that movie again. I don't want to see that movie again. Ayoko nang panoorin uli yung pelikulang yon. I'm so tired of doing this over and over again. I'm so tired of doing this over and over again. Sawang-sawa na ako sa kagagawa nito ng paulit-ulit. Can you please repeat that again? Can you please repeat that again? Pwede bang pakiulit mo yon? If the phone rings again, just ignore it. If the phone rings again, just ignore it. Huwag mo na lang pansinin kapag tumunog ulit ang telepono. Wash it again. Wash it again. Hugasan mo uli. What's that called again? What's that called again? Ano nga ulit ang tawag doon? You're getting the boot if you're late again. You're getting the boot if you're late again. Masisisante ka na kapag na-late ka pa ulit. We have to work overtime again. We have to work overtime again. Kailangan nating mag-OT ulit. Let's reconsider our decision again. Let's reconsider our decision again. Pag-isipan natin uli ang desisyon natin. Let's double-check our reservations again. Let's double-check our reservations again. I-check uli natin ang reservation natin. Classes are starting again soon. Classes are starting again soon. Kahulugan? Malapit na ulit magsimula ang klase. O kaya, malapit na uling magpasukan. Is she sick again? Is she sick again? May sakit na naman siya? Come again? Come again? Meaning, ano ulit yon? O kaya, ano ka mo? Alright, I'll do it again. Alright, I'll do it again. Sige, gagawin ko ulit yon. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Huwag mo na uli gagawin yon.